am Banasuhas and welcome back to my channel OBORRA Academy. Today we are going to do the age problems to solve them in an easier way. Today we are going to mainly focus on the how to solve through the ratio method, and not only ratio method, we are also going to do the elimination and the traditional method. So now this is our first question, and now let's see how to do that. So first let's read the question once. 6 years ago the ratio of the ages of Kunal and Sagar was 6:5 respectively. Okay, and 4 years hence the ratio of their ages will be 11:10. What is Sagar's age at present? So hope you all understood the question, and now let's see the main points in this question. So 6 years ago. So when you get this word ago means you have to subtract the number which is given over here with your percentage. For example, if your percentage is x, then 6 years ago your age will be x minus 6. So then the ratio, they did not give the age. 6 years ago they gave the ratio of Kunal and Sagar, and the ratio is 6:5. So 6 years ago, so I could write minus 6. So let us write it as 6:5. And then the next sentence, 4 years hence. And when you get the word hence over here, you will have to add the number which is given over here 4 with the present age. For example, if your age is x years, then 4 years after 4 years hence your age will be x plus 4. So 4 years hence the ratio of their ages will be 11:10. Again they gave the ratio of their ages 4 years hence. So this is our present age and they are asking to find it. So here they give 4 years hence. So plus 4. After 4 years their ages will be 11:10. 11:10. So now we have got the ratios. So now let's see how to solve this ratio. So to solve the ratio problem, first we'll have to find the difference between these two numbers in the respective ratio. So this 6 and 11, the difference is 5 in them. And the difference between 5 and 10 is again 5. So these two numbers are equal. So this makes our problem so easier. So these 5 and 5 are going to be our parts. So let's take 5 parts. Okay. 5 parts equals to, here you could see, right, these are the years. So to get the total number of years, if this is the present age, from the present age to the past age there are 6 years. So 6, and from the present age to the 4 years forward there are 4 years. So 4. So 6 plus 4 it's 10. Totally there are 10 years. So 5 parts equals to 10 years. Yeah. So when 5 parts equals to 10 years, 1 part equals to 2 years. Yeah. So 1 part equals 2 years. So now we have got the answer of 1 part as 2 years. So with this number we'll have to multiply all the ratio numbers, which are 6, 11, 5, 10. So 6 times 2 is 12. 12 is 2. 5 times 2 it's 10. And 2 times 11 it's 22. 2 times 10 is 20. So these are the ages. This is 6 years ago, this is after 4 years, the ratios. So we have got the ages, right? So 12 is to 10. Krunal's present 6 years ago, Krunal's age was 12 years. So nothing. Here we'll have to add 6, so we could get the present age. So 12 plus 6, it's 18. And 10 plus 6 is 16. So these are the present ages of Krunal and Sagar. So the present ages of Krunal and Sagar is 18 and 16. So they're asking the Sagar's age, so the answer is 60. Yeah. So that's all about the ratio method. So if you did not understand, I'll give a quick recap. The next question. So next question also we are going to mainly solve about the ratio, because today's main topic is about ratio. So now let's see how to do it in the elimination method. So let me rub this stick. So now let's get started with our elimination method. They said 6 years ago the ratio of the ages of Kunal and Sagar is 6:5. So we have got the ages of the Sagar. So what we should do, 6 years ago, so let's do minus 6. So we get 10. and then plus 4, so that we get 20. For all the numbers, let's do, because we had already got the answer as 16, but in the, if you are trying this question as first time, we'll have to do for the all questions. So 18, if you minus 6, you get 12, and plus 4, you get 22, and then minus 6, you get 14, and plus 4, you get 24. Yeah, so till now we had understood. So now let's read the question again. We had completed till here. So what is Sagar's age at present? So now let's see how to solve it. So let's read this question again. 6 years ago, the ratio of the ages of Kunal and Sagar was 6:5. So you take any of these ratios, 6:5 or 11:10. So if you take 6:5, they're asking Sagar, Kunal and Sagar. Okay, Kunal is to Sagar. So we'll have to find the second. So 6 years ago it was 5. So we'll have to see the multiples of 5. So 6 years ago the ages was 10, 12 and 14. So you'll have to see the multiples of 5. So only 10 is a multiple of 5. So the answer is 16. So if you take the look at this second one, you will have to get the multiples of 10 over here. 10 which is after 4 years. In the future after 4 years, which are these, you have to get the multiple of 10. So only 20 is a multiple of 10. So 16 is the right answer. So hope you all understood how we should do it in the elimination method. And now let's quickly see how to do it in the traditional method. So now let's see how to solve it in the traditional way. So now let's see again. So now let's get the ratios. So 6 years ago the ratio was 6:5. And this is for the present, and this is for after 4 years. So the ratio was 11:10. So now let's see how to solve it. So we have the ratios before 6 years and after 4 years. If you take this, let's solve it from this. So to solve it first, let's take the variables x, and we'll have to find the value of x here. So 6 years ago the ages were 6x and 5x. 6x and 5x. Yeah. So to get it to the present age, we need to add 6. Plus 6 and plus 6. So here they had given the ratio of after 4 years. They did not give for the present age. They had given for after 4 years. So we'll have to add another 4, because they only gave the after 4 years ratio. If they had given the present age, we could do it. So here plus 4 and here plus 4. So equals to 11 by 10. They had already given the ratio 11 by 10. So 11 by 10. So now let's see how to equate it. So we'll have to cross multiply. So 10 times 6 is 60. 60x plus 10 times 6 is 60. And then another plus 10 times 4 is 40. Let's take this as 100. Plus 100 equals to, so here 55x plus 66 plus 44, we can take it as 110. Okay. Yeah. So now let's solve it. So what we'll have to do, we'll take this 55x over here and we'll take this 100 over here. So now let's solve it. So 60x minus 55x equals to, so here 110 minus 100. So 5x equals to 110 minus 100 is 10. So x equals to 2. We had got the value of x. So now let's replace this 2 over here. So we get 12 is to 5 times 2 is 10. And then for this 2 we get 22 over here, and we get 20 over here. And to get the present age, we'll have to add a 6. So 18. Okay, 18 is to 16. So these are the present ages of Kunal and Sagar. So the Sagar's present age is 16, and we had again got the correct answer even in the traditional method. Hope you all understood how to do it in the traditional method. So if you see this, for x we had got the answer as 2, and even in the first one part equals to 2 years. So hope you all understood how to do this problem. So if you did not understand, I ask you to continue this video till the end, because let us try another question the same like that in the ratio, but we will not get the equivalent ratio, so it would be somewhat tricky. So now let's see how to solve it. Now let's go to the next question. Well, this is our second question, and now let's read the question once. So, present ages of Samir and Anand are in the ratio of 5:4 respectively. Okay, that's good. And 3 years hence, the ratio of their ages will become 11:9. Okay. So, what is Anand's age in present? So, this question is also so easy if you are gonna do it in the full concentration way. And for this question, we are going to go do it in the two methods, ratio method and the elimination method. So first, let's see how to do it in the ratio method. So, first step, if you read the first sentence, present ages, they gave the ratio of their present ages as 5:4. So, let's take the present ages are in the ratio of 5:4. 5:4. And then 3 years hence. As I said, you hence means plus 3. 3 years hence, so 3. So if your present age is x, after 3 years your age will become x plus 3. So they just gave 3 years hence. So now let's write plus 3 over here. Your ratio would become 11:9. Here comes the solving part. Here if you see the difference, 5 and 11 the difference is 6, and 4 and 9 the difference is 5. Yeah? Okay, let me write it inside so it would be easy. 5, and here we should write 6. Yeah? So here the difference is not equal. Why we should get the difference as equal? Because if we get the one part and so years, it would be so easy to calculate our ages. So if you're not getting equal, so let me say how to get it equal. So then you'll have to find the difference between 9 and 11 or 11 and 9. So the difference is 2. And the difference between 5 and 4, the difference is 1. So even here the difference is not equal. How to do it? So let me say, this 2, here it should multiply with 5 and 4. This one, it should be multiplied with 9 and 11. So let's write the new ratio of ours. So the ratio is like 2 times 5 is 10, 10 is to 8, and here 11 is to 9, that's the same. If you're going to see over here, the difference is 1, and again here the difference is 1. Here the differences are equal, so this is so easy for us to calculate right now. So here 1, so 1 part equals to how many years? So here present age and after 3 years. So the difference between the present age and the 3 years is 3. So 1 part equals to 3 years. Yeah. So 1 part equals to 3 years. So with this 3 we will have to multiply all the numbers 10, 8, 11 and 9. We should not multiply with these numbers. Careful, we should not multiply with these numbers. We should multiply with these numbers 10, 8, 11 and 9. So you get the ages as 30 is to 8 times 3 is 24, and then 11 times 3 is 33, is 2, and then 9 times 3 is 27. So they are asking the present age of Anand. So as Samir is to Anand, the Anand is in the second place. See, Samir is to Anand. The second is the Anand. So here the present age is Anand's. Anand's present age is 24. So hope you all got the answer as 24. Now this is all about this ratio method, and now let's see how to do it in the elimination method. Elimination method is so easy for this problem, and now let's see how to do it. Now let me write the options here. 28, 24, 33, 27. Yeah. So now let's see how to solve it. So here for the present ages, they gave the ratio as 5:4. So for Anand, which is over here, first we'll have to see the multiples of 4. We get 28, 24, 4 and 33 and 27 are eliminated. So from these two options, if we get one option, it is easy for us to say. But we got two options, and now let's see how to calculate it. So here they give 3 years hence. So we'll add 3 for both values, plus 3 and then plus 3. 24 plus 3 is 27, and okay, 28 plus 3. 28 plus 3 is 31. Yeah? So from these values, you will have to see the multiples of 9. So the multiple of 9 is 27. So the value is 24. Again, I hope you all got the answer as 24. So that's all about this elimination method also. So hope you all understood how I did this problem. If you did not understand, I ask you to go previous this video and watch it again. So hope you will understand it. So that's all about this session, guys. If you like this session, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and if you hadn't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it. And we would give more educational videos furthermore. So if you click the notification bell and click all, so that you could get all our videos which we upload in YouTube. So guys, that's all about this session. Thank you.